Shoo-wee! Ugh, God, stinker. We got another stinker today. This one I just did get. Hey, Gumby. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah, I agree. I agree. This thing is a stinker. I was coughing just being in the general vicinity of this thing, and what do we have? Oh, look, it is a Zenith TV. I do not have a date for it yet. I'm guessing 1960 something, probably early to mid 1960s. This is a Zenith tabletop black and white TV. It uses all tube set, probably with the exception of the UHF, I'm guessing. Goes up to channel 83. Any TV that has a UHF channel tuner going up to channel 83 is going to be from 1984 or older. So that's an easy way to date a TV to an extent. We got VHF, and the knobs look fantastic. The knobs kind of also date it. These knobs kind of went out of style at some point. So this is like a continuous UHF tuner, which is very common. You got fine-tuning here on the Bakelite plastics just getting yellow. This plastic, though, wait a minute. Are you serious? Wood grain texture, but not wood grain color. I've seen fake wood grain colored to look like wood, but this is just gray plastic that's textured like it's wood. Would anyone believe that? I don't think so. The cord is in good shape, and of course the person who I had acquired this from decided to try turning it on to see what would happen. Well, nothing happened. They said it turned on, but they didn't see anything on the screen. That could mean either static or no raster at all, or maybe just like a line, no vertical deflection. Hard to say. I just did get this thing. First obvious problem is the antenna kind of got whacked at the top, which is not the end of the world. It's not really that useful anymore in the digital era. The antenna leads go from here to here for the VHF, and you got the UHF. I call these the pitchforks of death connectors, because they're evil. I don't understand why they ever had these. They're horrible. The plastic, well, looks like it got dragged through a swamp on a boat. I don't understand why. The, 130 watts. Are you joking? That is ridiculous. That's a lot of power. That will also tell you if the set's, all tube. It most certainly is from what I've gleaned inside. You've got Buzz. Not Buzz Lightyear, but Buzzkill. Because with CRT TVs, you would hear a buzz on some sets. This controller, I think, is fairly unique to Zenith. I don't know exactly how it works, but it's supposed to eliminate the buzz in the audio for certain scenes. You got AGC, automatic gain control, horizontal hold, vertical size and vertical linearity. Pretty typical stuff for a black and white tabletop set. They're even courteous enough to give you a power cord holder to roll your power cord up on. You got some, I don't know what that whitish stuff is. It's not tin whiskers, surely. I mean, it's rubber. It stinks. This thing stinks. Like, it's not the most visually dirty-looking key I've ever gotten, but it is certainly the stinkiest. This thing, there's something, I don't know where this was stored at, but I'm just going to call this the swamp boat lover special. This thing was out in the bayou. Well, not really a bayou, since Massachusetts. It was out in the swamps of Massachusetts with a fisherman, I guess. I don't know. This was from an estate. The state of this thing, though, I don't know. It clearly doesn't work. I'm not going to turn it on because that's the worst thing you can do. At best, nothing happens. If you're lucky, the fuse is blown. At worst, it could have a fireworks show. All of these capacitors, like electrolytics paper, oils, wax papers, and so on, those are going to be bad and need to be replaced. Now, this TV, I haven't opened it up yet. I will do another video once I get around to it, because I have too many projects right now. The screen looks okay, though. On the outside, I don't think it's been necked or anything. What in the world do they mean by this? VCBL. I mean, the Zenith set, so this should be fairly easy to, work on. It'll probably be a blast to work on. Point-to-point wiring, of course, which is known for what Zenith had done in that era. So I think that's the power L for loudness, so volume, power, and what I call L for loudness. B for brightness, C for contrast, and V for vertical hold is what I'm guessing. Outside, nothing. I mean, this handle is very sturdy, actually. It's very heavy. If you had two of these, you could actually use these as weightlifting equipment to build up your arm muscles, so. Yeah. This thing's actually very sturdy in all seriousness. You can kind of see under the point-to-point wiring under the metal chassis on here. It looks like all the tubes are here. Again, I'll have to check and take them back now. People are, like, ringing me off the hook right now. Well, we'll do a feature video, though, about this TV, so stay tuned.